Throwing bomb beauty tips like confetti. Renee Moore. Yeah, Renee Moore.
Hey Beat and Bombays, Renee Moore here. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. Today I'll be doing my updated brow routine. Yes, give it up. What you're gonna be needing in this tutorial today is you'll be needing a concealer that is your skin tone or a little bit lighter than your skin tone. And then you're also gonna need some brow pomade. And you're definitely gonna need a Q-tip as well. I'll also be using my 2 angle brushes. The brush that is the most precise is the brush that you're gonna wanna use in order to clean up your brows. So yeah, and Morphe's M165 always gets me together, okay? Together. With my brow routine, I'll be using a new product today. This is actually an eyebrow pomade by Total Beauty Cosmetics. The box says that it is a waterproof brow pomade that is ideal for sculpting, defining, and carving perfect, precise brows that won't smudge or fade. So we are definitely going to test that theory out. I actually recently just got this product. I'm really excited to try it out today. So let's jump into it. This is what the inside looks like. I'm going to first start by doing an outline, starting at the bottom of my brow. Through both sides to the end. Okay. An inch or 2 away. And then I will start to an inch or 2 away. Don't get a lot of product on your brush. You don't want to start in the front of your brow. You kind of want to start like an inch away from your brow. And we're going to allow the angle brush to do most of the work. Maybe a little bit darker than you want it to be. And sometimes I know I have that issue where, you know, I might have thought that I applied the pomade light-handed, but in reality it's not really that light-handed. What I like to do is take another Q-tip to lighten my brow as well. Of course I want to move this in the front around, make this be more, make this have an ombre feel. Q-tip. And then if you want to get some more off, just rub some off. I also like to take the middle of the Q-tip and like take off that extra color as well. And it does work, it's crazy. It definitely does work. So here's what we working with. tuning in to another bomb video. Subscribe for weekly videos every Sunday. I'll also be throwing bomb beauty tips on my social media at grenade_mar. For more information on Total Beauty cosmetic products, please check out the link below. We see you, girl, and I'll see you next video. May your day be as bomb as you are. Bye. First tutorial with these braids, honey.